Software development is a multi-billion-dollar industry, so it is not surprising that new tools are often released to meet the growing demand. When it comes to online income, there is no exception. Marketing tools are essential for anyone, including traditional businesses looking to go online, existing digital companies, or any individual internet marketer who wants to build an online income stream. However, with so many choices out there, which one is the most suitable? If you take a closer look at the marketing software community, you will find no shortages of options will come up in your research. There are tools for creating websites, building sales funnels, and developing shopping carts so payment can be processed online. While these are essential tools, but the problem that many digital seekers face is that those products do not seem to be the most suitable for them. For example, traditional business owners may find that the available products are overly complicated, especially if they do not have the technical skills to run the systems. Then, there may also be aspiring entrepreneurs who are just starting out, and the high cost of all the available tools means that they are out of their budget. And finally, there are just too many tools that a new digital seeker needs, and required to subscribe to dozens of tools on paid monthly plans, while needing to understand and manage all the accounts, can quickly become overwhelming. Because of all these reasons, GrooveFunnels was created. GrooveFunnels is a suite of online business tools, designed for all digital marketing seekers, but without the complexity and the expensive price tag. In fact, it's quite the opposite, because GrooveFunnels is not only easy to use, it is also free. When members sign up for a free GrooveFunnels account, they get immediate access to Groove Digital Academy, Website Creator, Funnel Builder, Email Autoresponder, Shopping Cart software and free hosting, which allow them to have everything they need to start selling products and services online, which is especially helpful for those with little to no technical knowledge, because the entire suite of tools is so simple to use that even computer illiterate folks can copy and paste, drag and drop, and click and scroll their way to create professional-looking websites, with sales funnels capable of taking online orders. Not only that, but the free GrooveFunnels account can also add unlimited products, create sales funnels, build branded websites with full navigation, use custom domain names, sell products in just one click, and offer upsells, downsells and order bumps to customers. Astonishingly, GrooveFunnels also has a powerful affiliate program built in, which means that members can easily start their own affiliate programs and have their own affiliates promote their products for them. Such a robust software suite is typically unheard of in the software development industry, much less one that is being made available for free. For those who are looking for the new best way to build funnels and sell digital products, and would like their own complete digital products and services online sales system for free, now is the best time to get started with GrooveFunnels. Finally, hope these tips will help you to keep building your strong online presence. Also, please find your gifts below this video, as a thank you for watching our content. If you got some value out of it, please give it a thumbs up. And, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we will see you in the next one.